Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a DIY tutorial on how to make this adorable miniature version of a quiet book. Well, it's not that miniature, it's kind of just a smaller version of a quiet book. And this one is mermaid themed. So you can see our little mermaid right here, and this whole thing is mermaid themed and kind of underwater. Yeah. So I'm going to show you a few clips of me actually making it, and then we're going to do a little review and look through the pages just to kind of show you what's in there and how you can play with it. So yeah, let's get started. So today I'm going to show you how I make my quiet books, and it's actually only my second quiet book that I'm going to be making today. But you guys seem to really enjoy the other one, so yeah, let's do it. So today I'm going to be making a mermaid themed quiet book, but you can switch up things and make it your own. So the basics to having your quiet book is, of course, having some felt, and I'm going to be using different types of felt. So we can have some hard felt, and it's almost like a cardboard texture, and I'm using this one to make some stencils that I have here. Because it's super easy. Once you make your stencils, it's really easy to then use them to cut out some felt pieces. You just put it next to the felt piece and then cut it out around, and it's super easy. But then once you make one piece, you can use that to create other pieces as well, and that's what I did with my little mermaid tails here. So this is the first type of felt. Then we have the soft felt, and this is the very soft one. It's very popular. It usually comes in like big sheets of it. Then we have the one in between, which is this one that I'm using for like the pages of the book. So it's a bit thicker. It's actually much thicker, and it's not that cardboard kind of texture, but it's kind of in between. So it's really nice. And then we have the last one, which is the super thin kind of pressed felt that I have a bunch of, but I have like small pieces of it, like here, like a lot of different colors, and that was super cheap. I can leave a link in the description below for you guys to check it out. It was like $2 or $3 for a bunch of it. So what I did for the pages, they were like twice as big as this, so I cut them in half and made more pages for the book. So this is just 2 sheets of felt, and I used green and blue just because I didn't have a second one in blue, so I thought green would work as well. And then I have this strip of softer felt that I'm going to use to bind them together like this. So I did the same thing in my other quiet book. So here I have my little sketches. So it's my mini mermaid quiet book, and I'm gonna have 8 pages, and this is kind of me just drawing some stuff. I'm not very good at drawing, don't look at this. And then I have how many things I want to include. So as I said before, I already pre-made some pieces, like I have a bunch of tops here and dresses, and I have mirror, and some bits and bobs are inside as well. So we have most of the stuff laid out, so now I'm gonna go and glue everything together, and it's gonna take ages, so I'll be back when I'm done with that. this is how my finished quiet book looks like, and we have our Little Mermaid right here, and we have the castle. Here I have some, like a pom-pom that is like an underwater plant thingy, and yeah, so let's go inside. So on the first page here we have our mermaid's room. So this is like a bed, couch or something, and it's in the shape of a shell. And here we have these two little hearts that I decided to put them as pillows, but they are green and they look like kind of moss thingies. Then we have some beads here, they're kind of like bubbles. And we have like two little flowers, some coral reef thingies, and some greens, jellyfish, and a fish. Then we have our closet. So we have two little sections of our closet. So in the top one, we have different wigs that we can put on her. So right now she's wearing a brown wig, but we can change it to red, for example. And I decided to go for more vibrant colors like pink and yellow, just because she's a mermaid, so we're gonna have more fun with her. And then we can change her clothes. So here we have different tails, and I like this one. You can kind of see the theme right here, because we're going to change her top as well. And here we have Ariel from Little Mermaid. So on the next page we have our little chest of treasures, and we have another jellyfish. Then we have this little star, and you can pretend that it's a starfish. I might add some eyes actually. And then we have some more sequins, another starfish, and then inside the chest thingy we have two crystals, some I don't know, it's like a necklace thing that I just made. It's just a random string of beads. And then we have some more beads around here, and I decided to glue it just so it doesn't fly around and just so you don't lose it. And we have more beads, a little diamond heart thingy, more sequins, and then we have some rocks, some coral reefs, and more greens. And then this page is really fun, and I really like how it turned out, because we have our little mermaid hair PlayStation, let's say, and in this little pocket we have a comb, so we can comb out her hair. And then we have some ribbons, so we have some black ones, and then I also have this gold one I'm just gonna add right here. So we can try to like braid her hair or do different fun hairstyles that we can't really do with our mermaid that we're playing with, because she's obviously wearing wigs. So this is kind of a cool little station just to play around and try some stuff. And then we have another heart and a seahorse, jellyfish, fish, this pom-pom thing, and another pom-pom that we can just pretend that are random sea creatures. And then we have the next page. So this page is more blank, as you can see. So here we have the ship that Ariel likes to play in, but if you look behind it, oh no, there's a shark! So he can also hide behind these plants, let's say. Kind of wait for someone to come in so he can eat them. And we can also have Ariel play inside of the ship, or hide, kind of. Not really, she's kind of too big for that, but oh well. She can still play around here. And then we have this random pom-pom and some ruffle thingies, more pom-poms. And yeah. And then I decided to make the last page kind of blank. Maybe you can decorate it yourself or add on something later. I just didn't have any more ideas, to be honest. So now we can, oh, wait. We can put Ariel to bed. Night night. And we can close our book. And we can close our book. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Few things that I'd like to mention is probably I would use a fabric glue for the sequins because I had some fallouts before, so now that I used the fabric glue, it works way better. Also for the bigger beads, I'd use just a needle and thread, just like I did with the button here. I just wanted to keep it simple and make sure there's no like super difficult sewing in it. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you soon. Bye!